Hi, my name's Tom Rennick. I'm a system architect here at Solutions PT. In this Tech Byte, we'll be discussing how to move to a thin client architecture using Stratus ztC Edge and how to monitor the status of the system using OPC tags. To begin with, this is a traditional architecture where you'd have individual PCs and you'd have to maintain the operating system and the software on each of them. So it can be quite large maintenance. So what we would recommend is moving to a thin client architecture, which you can use the Stratus ztC server as the hypervisor, and you can have thin clients, and it's a lot easier to maintain because everything is running on virtual machines on the server, and you also have redundancy. So with ztC Edge, you can actually monitor the status of the redundant system using OPC UA tags, and you can monitor them within InTouch. So here's a demo kit showing two ztC systems and running InTouch application for demo purposes. So at the moment, you can see that it's currently running on both of the servers, and the server on the right is currently running the application. As you can see, it says primary. The status of the system is normal, the network connections are up, and you can see that data is currently being displayed in graphics and on the trend. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is taking the power out of the primary server on the right hand side, and you'll see the statuses of the tags change on the screen. So to begin with, the network status shows red because the network has gone down to the server on the right, but you can see that the application has continued to run in fault tolerant mode. So no data is lost in both the graphic and the trend on the right. So you'll see over the next couple of seconds the status of the tags change as it's sort of syncing to tell you the situation. Obviously the application is still running, but it's good to have an idea of whether or not it's running in redundant mode. So you can see the primary has now failed over to the left-hand side, and the status of the right-hand side is now unreachable, and the status of the whole system is serious. So you can see that you can now do something about this, but the application is still running and you have visibility of that. So this is the interface where you can have additional visibility of the ztC system. To begin with, you've got the overview of the physical machines, those node 0 and node 1. You've also got visibility of the virtual machines where you can easily start and stop them from here and add any new ones. And you can see it's currently running on node 0. You can change the load balancing, so you can choose so it always runs on one of the two systems if needed. You can also check the system status to check how much resources is being used. So you can see that there's plenty of resources available out of 64 gigs of RAM, 1.7 terabytes, and 20 virtual CPUs. In the preferences, to enable the OPC tag configuration, it's very easy. You just go to the OPC configuration section and you tick to enable it, and it will use the following port. So as you've seen from the overview of this video, is you've seen an architecture options, how you can move to ztC in a virtualized thin client environment. You've also seen the potential of the ztC hardware itself and how you can actually monitor the status of the system using OPC tags. So if you'd like more details on these products, then please visit the links in the description, and thanks for watching.